Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kushagra and today we are going to take a look into how you can create 1000 reels in no time by just using Canva and ChatGPT. So this hack can help you to get your channel monetized because there are so many channels which are monetized and they are getting tons of views. We will see some of the examples and you can do the same thing. You can use the same strategy and start making money on YouTube. So let's see that. Channel name is Facts Are Us. They have got 190k subscribers. Can you believe it? And if you come down here, you will see the viewership that they have got is 4.3 million views on this particular shot. 3.4 million, 3 million, 2.8 million, 2.5 million. It's crossing millions already, and you can do the same thing in no time by just using these steps that I'm going to share with you. Alright, so when you have got the idea of this, let's go to the prompt that I have already created that you can easily copy and paste it, and if you want to make any tweet, you can do that. A table that includes 50 interesting fun facts about the human mind. Part 1 should engage the reader to keep reading, while part 2 reveals the interesting fact. So this is all because we want to keep the user intact and increase our engagement rate. Here is an example. So we have given the example how it should look like. Column 1, topic name, part 1 of the fact, part 2 of the fact. Make sure that the facts do not get repeated. So column 1, I would rather say this should not change, and say, did you know this about human mind? Beginning, it will keep the user engaged and they know what you are talking about. I'll just copy it from here. I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll paste the prompt. So look at it. It has already created fact 1. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. The brain produces about 20 watts of electric power while awake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of these things from here and go to Canva. I'll type in YouTube Shorts. I'll come to bulk create, enter data manually, delete it, and paste it. This thing, I really don't bother too much about it. So what I'll do, I will not link this text, but let's move forward for now. I'll go back, go to elements, and let's take a look on brain videos. I think I like this one, so I'm going to just drop it here. Just copy from here. Make sure the text aligns. I would do it rather 55. I'm just making it good and nice, clean. I'll go back on bulk create. I'll take a look here, come back on done, and just connect data. I don't want to connect part 1 because it says fact 1, fact 2, fact 3. I really want to go with this thing as a constant. Come back on this and connect data of column 3 with this heading. Also, what I can do, I can go on audio right here and I can add some instrumental audio. I'm going to drop this audio here and make sure the volume is low. This is something else. I'll come back to the volume. I'll keep it as 20 and I want to make this short for 25 seconds. I think that's good. And also one last thing before we end it. I want to appear this heading not in the beginning but after some time. So I'll just time the headings. Okay. So let's get started and let's see what magic it can do. Go to continue, generate 50 designs. So I think they are already created in no time. I think it was less than 10 seconds. Oh my god, just look at it. This is so amazing, and you can create these same reels and start uploading on your YouTube channel. Let's take a look on how it looks. Oops, let's start it from here. Isn't it engaging? Like a lot of people want to see these kind of stuff, the fun facts, and the good part is you can play around with the prompt, the one niche that you like and the niche that you want to create your channel. So it would be amazing. The whole purpose to create this video was to show you what are the things that you can do and you can start making money. And the last thing that you can do is go to Buffer. Buffer is the social media engagement platform. You can go there and schedule your post. I don't want to schedule my post, so I'm going to leave it like that. And this tool is very simple and handy, like the Meta Business Suite. And I hope you like this video and your channel gets monetized. And if it gets monetized, do let me know in the comment box. I would be really happy to see that. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.